We're having Santa Ana winds right now, which are part of the Southern California season, I guess.
I've been alone before, but never with you. Your mind is not where.
Good morning. It is, yeah, there's a bit of a breeze today. It's a bit hazy out, but we're leaving San Francisco. We're gonna head to Halfmoon Bay, so it's only a day sail, like 6 hours away, which is actually gonna be really nice. We're kind of excited to move on. This is the beginning of week 4 here, so it's been a long time since we've
It feels cold out there though.
It does feel cold, but it's still a little early. It's like, what time is it? 8 o'clock, 8:30? No. It's almost 10. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Pushing the bar to 1600 Road South, preparing to depart San Francisco Pier 35 bound for Collinsville, and the Hopper Church SCL just.
Everywhere you look, everywhere so hard, so hard. Let's pull out. Now that we're out of the shipping lanes, we shut the engine off, we only have one. And we're sailing. We're only going a knot, but we're determined to sail more because we're so done with motoring all the time. But this is it should be only a 6-hour trip if we're going 5.5 knots, so we're okay to take a little more time. We're just eating some lunch. Nice wrap.
Here, let's hear it, Jeff.
She got no shoe shine, she got shoes, I don't know the words, she got something, she got Coca-Cola, darling, I don't know the words. Got to be good looking, good to know what I mean. Practice those words. I only just saw that could have been a big dive that they did. How deep is it here? Oh, that was really a good one. Oh, there it is, there it is! Oh my goodness, Lyndon, they were so close! That is so... Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw the tail.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, right there.
Oh my goodness! This is so awesome! Man, seeing whales just never gets old! Oh wow! They're so beautiful!
Oh. They're definitely like...
Oh there! That's gonna be a tail! Oh yeah! Wow, that was beautiful! That is so awesome. It's been such a cool... It's been a really nice day. That is just icing on the cake. Lyndon, are you watching?
Yeah.
There! That's the... Oh my goodness, did you just see that?
Yeah. Tried to get a picture, but the camera was off.
That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What do I do?
Look, just watch. Oh my goodness. Where in the world?
There's three over here.
Oh, there. Oh my goodness, I just missed it. They must
Maybe
have.
he'll come up again.
Oh, look, 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 look. They're totally gonna, like.
Bird.
Oh, wow.
Just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song.
He's just staying at the surface.
Then you
Wow, they're
stood there
huge.
smiling at me.
Oh my god.
As so many times before.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness, it's right there. Ooh, what? Was that the whale? Oh, that smells so bad. Wow, that
The
smells.
whale too?
That smells absolutely horrible.
Oh, way. I'll take it.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that would reek. Halfmoon Bay. We made it. It was a really nice sail. We almost put the spinnaker up, but by the time we got everything attached and anyways got around to doing it, we were so close to coming in that it was too much to do and too little time. So anyways, we didn't do it, but we're gonna brush up on the how-to tonight so that next time there's an opportunity, we're gonna take that opportunity. But it's really nice here. There's so many birds. I mean, our boat's gonna just get.
Bye.
Oh, sorry. Our boat's gonna just get covered in bird poop, I'm sure. Yeah, there's a lot of birds. But it's nice. That was a really nice sail. Really nice day.
That's 31.
And Richard, we anchored beside him when we got here, but we're like lined up that if he dragged anchor, he would hit us in a matter of seconds, so it's nerve-wracking. Wind's a bit big to, I don't know. Lyndon's just letting out more chain. I think that's about all we can do in this situation. The wind's kind of warm though. It's weird. And it's blowing off the land, which is really strange. I wonder where it's coming from.
I don't know if you can hear that, but last night we had, or we're having Santa Ana winds right now, which are part of the Southern California season, I guess. But I was reading in the news this morning they're the strongest they've seen in years. And last night we checked on the wind indicator. We saw up to 35 knots. I'm sure it was higher than that at points, but it was pretty crazy. We had to get up and let some chain out so that the guy in front of us didn't run into us. So we didn't sleep much last night. But it was crazy windy. I'm glad the anchor held. How was it, Tiff?
Disappointing that I didn't get a really nice sleep.
It was really calm when we went to bed, and then it kicked up in the middle of the night. The nice part is the wind is really warm and really dry.
So Santa Ana's. Anyway, don't video me, please. Just making some breakfast. I don't know.
Nice.
I always manage to smoke us out. Just a little French toast is all I wanted. Lyndon is going up the mast again. Got, what do we got? A busted out anchor light and a squeaky halyard. So we gotta fix those things.
The shiv is actually spinning and it's not just wearing out the rope.
Yeah. It's always nerve-wracking when he goes up there. This is the first time he's ever done it when we're on anchor. So, thankfully it's really calm in here, but there's some wind, so I'm sure it doesn't feel super comfortable, but I don't know, he looks like he's doing pretty good.
So I'm just up here trying to replace our anchor light, and not loving the connectors and the knot that's holding in the wires from falling through. So I'm gonna have to do something else. But that guy's still working. Yeah, she always slacks off. So here's our old anchor light setup. This is an LED bulb, which isn't bright enough anyways, and then it was on there like this. So I don't know if this is an old style anchor light or whatever, but so here's the bottom. Up there they have the wires and then a knot, which you can see from the footage, and then connectors and then more wires. So I think those connectors need to be redone, but there's really not very much space for me to redo them. And I can't put the new anchor light on because there's that knot there and that's what's holding all the wires up. So I think I'm just gonna modify this. So here's the new anchor light base, and I'm gonna stick it on here like this.
Nice. But you still have to undo the knot to change out the connectors.
I don't know, this will go over the knot in the connectors, but I can maybe crimp on some new connectors. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you don't already know, XANADU is up for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing her, there's a link in the description below. And give us an email, waldesailing@gmail.com. We'd really like for her to go to another adventuring person. So if you want to come cruise to Cedar Cortez, now's your chance.
Thanks for watching, and we want you guys to know that even though we are selling the boat, we still have tons of footage that will be coming out in weekly episodes. So if you do like our episodes, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.
I've been alone before, but never